So before I actually go camping this weekend, I kind of have to get my vehicle ready to go there. This is a 99 Jeep Cherokee. Done some of the normal maintenance stuff. Engine oil will be good for now. I'll probably have to change it when I get back though. My coolant, I have to double check on that, see if I need to add some more or not. Transmission I'm going to test later. The one thing I am worried about though is the pulley. More like the belt. Seems a little loose for what I've seen Cherokee belts should be at. It's supposed to be tensioned, or the tension on it should be 180 to 100 pounds. So I might give it a couple of tighten it just a little bit, because it's not supposed to be a lot of push, and I can give quite a little bit of push when I push it right now, so I'll probably do that. The whole reason I'm doing that is because when I turn on my AC condenser, I believe it's slipping and causing it to squeal, and just the forums I've read online show that tightening the belt can help the issue. Alright, I'm heading to a self-car wash to wash my Cherokee. Last weekend I went on an off-roading trip and it was super muddy and stuff, and so definitely needs a good once-over with some high-pressure water. And then after that, I'll go to Walmart to get a couple more camping supplies before I actually pack for tomorrow. I finished cleaning the car, and along with that, I also went on my Walmart trip. I just got, if I can grab it, this folding sleeping pad. My plan is to put that into my hammock and see how that feels, and if that doesn't work, then I might just give it to a friend. And then I also needed some toothpaste. So this is everything I'm going to be taking with me camping, and I'm not going to go through everything one by one, but the plan right now for the rest of the night is to pack this up, get some sleep, because I'm waking up early tomorrow to go over to the Black Hills in South Dakota. Right, I have made it to Spearfish. So because I have about an hour or two before I meet with my friend, I'm going to read a book here in this park. Wild at Heart by John Eldridge. Pretty popular book. I'm going to be reading most of the reading this book most of today, even when I'm out camping as well. But yeah, it's a good, nice, beautiful spot, and so I'm just gonna sit down and read. I'm gonna go stick my feet in. Woo! That's cold. Woo! Woo! I have finished up everything I'm going to do in Spearfish. I had to run and get a couple more things for this trip, and now we are going to head to the camping site. Alright, I have finally made it to the Black Hills in South Dakota. This is just right up from the town of Spearfish. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, obviously, daytime. My plan is to get all my stuff kind of repacked up, anything that I might have bought that's new, and also change my footwear because sandals are not going to be the ideal hiking condition. I don't know how far of a hike we have behind the camera, but we're gonna go that way, find a good place to camp, and that'll be that. Here's the leftover at one campsite. I could be wrong, but that tree does look like it got struck by lightning. Am I right or am I wrong? Alright, so here's where I'm thinking for camp, putting my hammock between these two trees. It's a really beautiful area, open, and I think there's even some off-roaders nearby. Heard them earlier. So if I need help, that would be nice. Well, had one mishap already. I have a kind of a gallon of water in a not so secure water jug, and some of the water spilled, so the bottom of my hammock is now wet. So luckily it's sunny, and I think it will dry out in time for tonight. Fingers crossed. Alright, I've finished my hammock and my tarp. Should be able to be protected by the rain. Next up is the fire pit. Alright, here's the fire pit. Now it's time to collect firewood. I wonder where I'll get it. Oh, so close. Okay, I have some firewood there. I'm pretty tired. I think it's time for a break. Slept for about an hour. It's pretty good sleep, nice and cool from the sun. Read some more of my book. And now nothing really else to do till I get more hungry. I'm a little hungry. I'll probably eat some of the snack I brought, but what I need to do now is kind of just clean up my campsite a little bit and possibly chop some more wood as well. Made myself a little log seat and then another log there for kind of my camping stuff when I do the fire tonight. But now I can just have my snack right now. You know, it's often said that God's hand can be seen in the work of the nature in the world, and I can't help but agree just looking around. This grove of forest that, I don't know, it's just something about the way that where the trees are and how tall they are, the branches that stem from them, that I just see God in it. And it's just physical proof that God is real and he's there. And he's here with me right now. It's part of the book I'm reading, Wild at Heart, John Eldridge. Talks a lot about God, and I definitely see it. I both definitely see and feel God right now. Alright, so the first part of my meal tonight is tuna. Good old-fashioned tuna fish. I forgot my can opener at home, so that's one of the things I had to buy today. And so, have one. We're gonna crack this open. I have some mayo packets from McDonald's because that's where I ate lunch today, and that's what I'm gonna make some with the tuna, and that's what I'm gonna enjoy tonight. Bon appetit. Tastes just like tuna with mayo. After like 10 minutes of trying, I finally have something going. As I guessed, I'm still a little hungry, so we got ramen. This big thing of it. So I'm gonna set up my camping stove and I'm gonna boil some water to boil the noodles in. Come on, don't be like that. I found a fuzzy caterpillar. Hee. And the water's boiling. Let's go. cut. The log broke and the water spilled. Oh, man. It's pretty good. I've just been sitting here for the past 20 minutes, staring into the fire, enjoying the meal. It was really good. Now I kind of need to clean up camp a little bit. It's a bit messy. Stuff there, stuff back there. Had to deal with trash. Trash was not one of the things I thought about. And so now I know next time to bring a trash bag. The whole reason why I'm going on this trip is because next week I'm going on a bigger trip, a couple more days, and this was kind of a test run. Now I know exactly what I need to bring, what foods I can eat. I do have the ability to boil water, and just kind of knowing what all I can do, because I'm also going to be going with someone else, and that'll be a surprise for you guys because I'm also going to be filming that trip as well. Yeah. All right, so I've done some cleanup. Let me go over here and show you. You can see it. That's my bag of food tied up to the tree. The plan for the rest of the night is that when I go to bed, move everything underneath my tarp and hammock, and then I'm also gonna wait until the stars come out to take some pictures. All right, guys, time for me to go to bed. Underneath me, I've got a sleeping pad that worked out really well. Should help insulate my back from the cold seeping in through the hammock. Then I have my light sleeping bag, and then on top I have this sleeping blanket. All right, I'm gonna shut out the lamp and see you guys in the morning. It's the next morning. I'm up. My plans now are to make coffee and then get out of here. So this is gonna be the end of the video here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. There's another camping video coming up soon, so if you like this, get prepared for another. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as I did making it and actually camping here in the Black Hills, and I'll see you next time. See ya.